In this video, I'll show you how you can post a tweet on Twitter. Maybe you've been using Twitter for a long time, but you've just never posted a tweet, or you're brand new to Twitter and want to post your first tweet. This video will help you both out. So what you need to do is open up Twitter here, and you need to click on the tweet button. Now, if you're looking for it and you can't seem to find it, button to post a tweet here is this blue button with the feather. So if we click on it, it's going to open up a new window, and we can now post a tweet. So we can start typing a tweet. And you can type whatever you want here. Now, there is a character limit on Twitter. So if we go over the character limit, which I'll do right now, you can see in the corner under add another tweet, our characters are going down. And now we're on 0. So then when we post some more characters, you can see we're now into the minuses. And the characters that are over are highlighted. Now, Twitter recently increased the character limit, so you can post quite a lot. But Twitter's intended for short and simple messages. Once you've typed out your tweet, you can then click on this box here which says everyone can reply, and then you can choose who you want replying to your tweet. Once you've done that, just click tweet, and your tweet is then going to go out to the Twitter world.